Xmaxx is back running again. We got the hubs fixed and hopefully we hit some jumps again today. Hopefully we hit that jump before we break anything. So I went with the RPM oversized hubs. So the inside bearing is a lot bigger than the stock one and the plastic itself is thicker, so hopefully we don't break any hubs today. So we're gonna start off slow and then hopefully we hit some bigger jumps and don't break anything again. All right, let's go hit some big jumps. First big jump today. So far nothing broke, so let's go one more time. Alright, so I just lost some power, so we're gonna see maybe something just disconnected. Alright, so I just took in the shade so you guys can see better. So this is why we lost power. So this thing just ripped off from there. So I'm gonna go home, get it fixed, and hopefully we continue the video. Alright guys, so we're back, got the car fixed. So yeah, it was my fault. I didn't have these pads in, so I guess the battery was moving around and that's what caused it to break. So we should be good now. We're gonna keep jumping. All right, let's see if we can hit that jump. All right, we're gonna go for a backflip. All right, that's it for today. So let's just see what kind of damage we got. I mean, bumper is fine. I think the only thing I noticed was this little thing right here in the back, but other than that, truck is fine. Man, I love this thing. right, so that's it for this video. Thanks to all the new subscribers and helping me reach to 1,000 subscribers. Comment down below whatever you guys want, any questions, what kind of cars you guys want to see. I read every comment and I try to respond to everybody, so just comment down below and I'll see you guys next time.